my channel, or welcome back if you already know this hot mess. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do 2 Dollar Tree DIY Halloween crafts, and they're each under $6. $6 or under each. No makeup today because I need to let my skin breathe. So we're gonna get down to some crafting and have a lot of fun with it. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep on watching. So for your first craft, you're going to need 2 of these garlands of your choice of color. I just chose the purple ones because that's my favorite. And then one of these wire wreaths. The first thing I did was just weave in the first part of the garland and keep wrapping it around, leaving about 1.5 inches of space so that you can wrap your other garland around in between to make it a pattern. Then I just wove in the next patterned garland, just like a basket weaving, and that attached very nicely, and then I just kept weaving in the opposite way, filling in those gaps.
I thought of taking the highway, 'cause you know I've never been the stable type.
For the next craft, you are going to need a glue gun, some glue sticks, 2 packs of eyeballs, 2 of these glass candlestick holders, and 2 candle holders in the cylindrical style. The first thing I did was glue around the top of the candlestick holder and just place that directly in the middle, pressing firmly down on the glass. After you let those 2 dry, you can just fill up your container with the eyeballs, making sure that the colored part of the ball is pointing outwards because you want it to look very spooky and creepy.
I tried to make you see my way, but you never listened and you closed your eyes. But now that I'm gone and moving on, I look back and see all my dreams are laying where you were.
That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe because I would really appreciate it. I do Dollar Tree videos and Dollar General couponing and mommy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.